We're eating the right foods, we're doing all the right things, and yet somehow our digestion is weak. Some of us, we're eating the right foods, we're doing all the right things, and yet somehow our digestion is weak, our tissues are not being restored and rejuvenated, and we're noticing, there's ridges on our nails, there's a body odor, there's, foul smells. So this is overload of accumulation of foods that haven't been digested in our body. And it's what this does is it starts to clog up all the subtle channels. And, this is when we might have constipation, but that's a very obvious channel. But there's also very many subtle channels that we have in the body. When we do a detoxification, often we're reducing the amount of different foods or varieties of food, and we're having a mono diet, which is a balanced, blood sugar balanced meal, and we're having that repeatedly, or we're eating foods that are well cooked, warm, well spiced, and that helps us to rejuvenate and detoxify, because it's the same as fasting, but it's a lot gentler. The autophagy happens, the cells clear out the waste and restore themselves again and restore that metabolism. Another way to do that is through herbs and spices. Are you seeing this? So we got ginger, cumin, coriander, fennel, chickpea, tulsi, black pepper. These are not just trendy spices, they're tools that we can use daily, and they gently awaken your metabolism and they support the hormonal balance from the root, your digestion. So this is really something that we should all be doing every day anyway, is using our spices in a really intelligent way that balance out our dosha. And then our lifestyle, diet, our key factors for restoring any kind of hormonal balance back in our body. Regular physical exercise helps to stimulate your metabolism of the tissues and encourage circulation, your lymphatic flow, and deep renewal of that Dhatu Agni at every level.